Dear students, in this tutorial we shall discuss the section formula for internal division and also for the external division and few more examples. Okay. First of all, we start with the section formula for internal division. Let us consider that A and B be 2 points with position vector A and B, A vector and B vector. Okay. And let P be a point which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio m is to n. This is given m is to n, and consider that OP vector is equal to R vector. Then prove that R vector is equal to MB vector plus NA vector divided by m plus n. Okay. First of all, you have to draw a line segment, say AB. Okay. This point is say A and this point say B, and also consider that a point B internally cuts this line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. This is given in your question. Okay. So what is the position vector of A? The position vector of A is given small a vector. So we consider an origin. Say this is origin O. With respect to origin O, the position vector of A is A vector, and the position vector of this is B is small b vector. Okay. Also consider that the position vector of P with respect to the origin O is B R vector. Okay. Okay. Now what is given? Given the internal ratio is given m is to n, that is AP upon PB is equal to, this is given, m upon n. AP is to PB is equal to m is to n. So cross multiply, you will get here n times of AP is equal to m times of PB. Okay. Or you write in vector notation n into AP vector is equal to m times of PB vector. Okay. So using the triangle law in vector, we find that n times of what is AP vector? AP vector from this figure, AP vector will be OP vector minus OA vector. So write it here, OP vector minus OA vector. Similarly, for PB vector also, PB vector will be OB vector minus OP vector. So notations will be now n times of what is OP vector, that means the position vector of P, this is R vector. So write R vector minus OA vector means A vector is equal to m times in bracket, this is m times OB vector, that is small b vector minus OP vector means smaller vector. Okay. Or you take the R vectors on left side. So m plus n whole into R vector is equal to MB vector plus NA vector. NA vector is transferred to right side. Therefore, you are getting R vector, this is R. R vector is equal to MB vector plus NA vector upon m plus n. M plus n. Actually, you have to prove this one. R vector is equal to MB vector plus NA vector divided by m plus n. Okay, this is the internal section. What is R? R is the position vector of P, and P cuts the line segment AB in the ratio m is to n. This is given. So you have to remember this one, and in proper place you have to apply this formula. R vector is equal to MB vector plus NA vector divided by m plus n. Okay. And in the section formula for external division, what will happen? Okay, we see the statement, but I shall not prove this one because in the same way you have to prove this one. This is the section formula for external division. I just read this one. Let A and B be 2 points with position vectors A and B, A vector and B vector, and P be a point dividing AB externally in the ratio m is to n OP is equal to R, then prove that R vector is equal to MB vector minus NA vector divided by M minus. I just draw a figure. Okay, so consider that this point is A and this point is B, and the position vectors with respect to some origin be A vector. This is A vector, and this one is your B vector. Okay, and since this line segment AB is cut by a point P externally, so you have to fictitiously consider a point is outside this line segment. Say this is P, so you have to draw the, yes, this is the position vector of P with respect to the origin. So what is given now? This is given AP upon BP is equal to M by N. M is to N. AP is to P, BP is equal to M is to N. This is given. Now using the triangle law again, like the previous one, you can prove that R vector is equal to MB vector minus NA vector divided by M minus N. Now we shall see an example taken from NCERT. Okay, the question what is given? Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line segment joining the points P. This is the first point P, I plus 2j cap minus k cap, and another point Q is just below here. Okay, Q is minus I plus j plus k in the ratio 2:1. First one is internally, second one is externally. So first of all we have to find out the condition for internal section. Okay, first of all we take 2 points P and Q. Okay, these are the points P and Q whose position vectors are given, and point R inside it. Say this point will not be here, this point. Okay, R, and it cuts the line segment PQ in the ratio 2:1. Okay, what is given? PR is to RQ is equal to 2:1. This is given. Okay, so the position vectors are given. Position vectors are respectively with respect to O, origin O, I plus 2j cap minus k cap. This is the first point P, and second point is Q. Its position vector is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Okay, now you have to consider the position vector for R also. Say this is R vector, small r vector. Okay, so what will be R vector? R vector is equal to, I write just the formula, MB vector plus NA vector divided by M plus N. Just we found this one. So what is M? M is 2 into B vector. B vector is minus I plus J plus K cap. Obviously you have to say K cap, J cap, I cap, like this, plus N A vector. What is N? The value of N is 1. So 1 time of A vector. A vector is I plus 2j minus k. I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Okay, whole divided by M plus N. What is M? 2 plus 1. 1 is N. Okay, so the denominator is 3. So in numerator you are getting minus 2i plus I, that is minus I cap, plus 2j plus 2j, that is 4j cap, plus 2k cap minus k cap, that is plus k cap. Okay, this is R vector. 1/3 of, or you may write 1/3 I cap plus 4/3 j cap plus 1/3 k cap. This is the internal section. In this way we can find the point P which cuts the line segment PQ in the ratio is to n. This is 2:1. Now I shall find out external division also. So I just change the color, ink color. Okay, this color may be fine. Okay, again for external division, let us consider that the point R will be outside this line segment PQ. So I do not draw it again. So I just solve this problem. Say this is R1 vector. R1 vector will be the new position of R, the point R. So R1 vector is equal to, just you will put a negative sign here, mb vector minus na vector divided by m minus n. So I just do this problem. So 2 times of minus I plus j plus k minus 1 I plus 2j, obviously you say k, j cap minus k cap like this, divided by 2 minus 1. So this is, denominator is 1. So minus 2i minus I, so minus 3i cap. Next plus 2j minus 2j 0 plus 2k plus k, that is 3k cap. So you are getting the vector minus 3i cap plus 3k cap. This is the external division of the point P, point R in the line segment PQ. Question says that find the position vector of the midpoint of the vector joining the points A and B. The position vectors are given. So what to find actually midpoint? This is midpoint. So first of all, you see that what we actually got, R vector is equal to mb vector plus na vector upon m plus n. Earlier we learned this one. And A is a point, and its position vector is a vector. B is another point whose position vector with respect to origin was b vector. R is a point internally cut at the point, say this is P, and its position vector was R vector. So this is the ultimate result, mb vector plus na vector divided by m plus n. Now what happens if P is the actually midpoint of A and B, then this ratio m is to n will be 1:1, 50-50, 1:1. So in this case you have to replace this m and n, both are by 1. So in this case your formula will be A plus B, A vector plus B vector upon 1 plus 1, that is 2. We shall now use this formula. R vector is equal to A vector plus B vector divided by 2, where the point P is the midpoint. Point P is the midpoint of the line joining the points A and B. So in this case, if the midpoint and its position vector be R, then obviously the denominator is 2, and you will just add these 2 position vectors. First one is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap plus 4i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, so the denominator as usual 2i plus 4i, that is equal to 6i cap, 3j plus j, that is 4j, so 4j cap, and 4k minus 2k, that is 2k cap. So you may take 2 common from numerator and cancel 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. So this is the midpoint of the given position vectors 2i plus 3j plus 4k and 4i plus j minus 2k, and hence the midpoint is 3i plus 2j plus k. Okay. In the next session, we shall learn a few more examples of NCERT related with scalar product and the section formula. So till then, bye bye.